Hi everyone, welcome to the social media advertising class. My name is and in this lesson we are going to answer one of the most important questions in online marketing. Let's hop right in. Now, what is actually social media advertising and how is it different from posting on your page? And by the end of this lesson, you're going to understand exactly how paid ad works, why they reach more people more than your free post, and how the algorithm decides who sees your content. So stay tuned. Hello, like I said before, in this lesson, we're going to cover the difference between the free post and the paid ad, and why your ad is more likely to reach people when you pay more than when you do free posts. And actually, how the algorithm on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok decides who actually sees your ads. I mean, these are the basics, and everything else in this course builds on what you learn right here. So stay tuned. Hello, welcome back. Now, let us start with the difference between organic posts and paid ads. Now, the difference is an organic post is anything you put up for free on your page. It could be a video, a status update, a photo, anything. It doesn't cost you anything at all. You just put it up on your page. Now, the problem is only the people that are following you will get to see it, and then not even all of them. That is a problem. And platforms like Facebook have been reducing organic reach for years. So today, the average business page reaches only about 5% of its followers with a free post. So if you have 1,000 followers, or even less, only 50 people might actually see what you post. Now imagine if you have only 100 followers. Come on. So now, with paid ads, it is completely different. When you run a paid ad, you pay the platform to show your content to people who don't know that you exist. So you get to see exactly who chooses it, their age, their location, their interest, even the kind of font they use. Now, that is the key difference. So note that free posts reach only the people who already you have, your followers, and if you have none, nobody's seeing it. But paid ads reach new people who could become your customers. Now, take this in and get ready for the fourth lesson. So you ask, why should I invest in paid ads? Number one, only 5% of people, that is the average organic reach for a business page, sees what you post when you post organically. I mean 5%. I want that to ring a bell in your head. 5%, that is a very small number. Now, the second reason is there are 3 billion people on Facebook and Instagram combined. Now, when you do paid ads, you get to place your ad in front of this number of people. Not all of them though, because they are not totally your audience, but imagine placing your ad in at least in front of 100,000 people, 1 million people. Come on, that would do a lot of good for your business. And the third one is it only takes the algorithm 24 hours to put up your organic post and trash it. What does that mean? It means that whenever you post anything on Facebook or Instagram, the algorithm will look at it and say, okay, let me fling it to a few people. This. And after 24 hours, it pushes it so down the algorithm that nobody will ever find your post again unless they are practically looking at your page or searching for a particular keyword. So, is this what you want to happen for your business? I mean, with paid ad, you decide exactly who sees your message and who does not. So, compare this and let me know if you are still willing to slack when it comes to paid ad. Hi, welcome back. Now, let us talk about how the platform or algorithm decides who sees your ad. Now, when you run an ad, I want you to know that three things mainly influence how your ad performs. Number one, your target setting. When you create an ad, you tell the platform exactly who to show it to. For example, you are into skincare and your target is women who are interested in skincare. They are aged probably 19 to 20, 19 to 45 or 20 years to 45 years, and they live in Nigeria. When you do this in your target setting, the platform takes it to exactly these people. Now, the step two is your budget and your bid decides how much money you're willing to spend, how much money you're going to spend rather in a day. Now, the platform likes to run a small auction behind the scene. The lower your pay, the lower the people that will see your ad. But the higher your pay, the higher the number of people that will see your ad. What does this mean? If you pay 5,000 naira and say, I want to spend only 5,000 naira every day on this ad, and someone else is paying 10,000 naira per day, please note that the person who is paying 10,000 naira per day will get their ad shown to more people than you that is paying 5,000 naira. It partially affects things in the game. Now, let us talk about number three, your ad quality. This is very, very important. Now, remember that the platform tracks how people respond to your ad. So, it is very important that your ad quality is super. So, every time someone watches your video, every time someone fills your form, the algorithm is recording that. And if people respond well, what it will do is it carries your ad and show it to more people. It is telling people that, okay, the clicks and the likes and all of that tells people, tells the platform, I think this person's ad makes a lot of sense. Let me show it to more people. And then it will carry it and show it to more people. But if you put up an ad and in 24 hours only, let me say for instance, you put up a sign up ad and only 5 people or even 3 or 2 people have signed up, it will draw it so back that the platform will say, it's like people do not like this. And what it will do is it will lower the number of people that it will show your ad, and you will keep paying more, but low people or low, you score low when it comes to the number of people that sees your ad. So it's very important that you know these 3 things when you're setting up your ad. So the key insight here is that a great ad will cost you less than a bad one. So the better your ad, the less you pay. And that is why I am here to teach you how to make good ads and not just to spend money.